In this tutorial I will show you how to reduce number of external requests by plugin Rank Math plugin. So this report shows how many requests each plugin or WordPress core does, and here we can see that 76% of external requests are done by Rank Math SEO by Rank Math plugin. Average request time is 4 seconds, which is too much. Generally, requests are less than 1 second or close to 1 second. So now let's see how we can reduce this. This report generated by HTTP Requests Manager, and when we group by initiator, we can see that breakdown by plugins and by WordPress core functions, external requests. So we have other plugins as well, and they are not making that many requests. For example, Updraft Plus makes 2 requests, Awesome Support makes 1 request, which is okay, which is fine. Let's first see which requests are slow. So this is request time and this is page time. These are fast, 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 and here is slow. What is this? And these are slow ones. So when we click on it, we can see that it's made inside cron, which is good because cron is designed to be slow. It can handle slow pages. Then when we look at it, it gets URL related information from Google Search Console. It inspects each URL if it's indexed or not, probably. Yes. So this is a URL from this website, and it sends it to Google Search Console. So now let's see, it's probably URL inspection. Let's go to Rank Math and see where it is, how it's used. So in Rank Math I integrated with Google Search Console, and when we scroll the tab and click index status, it shows if each page if it's indexed on Google or not. So let me shrink this sidebar. Yeah, this report shows index allowed, and it checks if it has a rich results. Most of blog posts on this website don't have any rich results, so we don't want to make too much external requests for checking. So it's not even showing if it's indexed or not. I'm using Rank Math 3, so index status is not shown. Index allowed is shown, but you don't need to go to Google Search Console to view it. These posts are not appearing in rich results. It's not much useful for this website, so I can switch this index status off, and then this will reduce the number of external requests. Now let's go and switch this index status off. If we go to Rank Math dashboard, from here go to analytics, settings, and here first option Search Console, and it has enable index status tab. So if we disable this, we will reduce number of external requests. Now save changes. Yeah, we can see that it's switched off now. We don't want each page requested sent to Search Console and requested any additional information for each page individually. It's very slow. It uses our server resources, so we switched it off, and it's not much useful information there. So now if we go to analytics, we can see that index status tab is removed from here. If we go to tools again, HTTP Requests Manager, These requests are probably periodically performed, probably maybe once a week or twice a month. So we will not see these requests anymore because we switched off search index status report. So that's it, how we can reduce. And I'm using Rank Math on other websites as well, and it's not making so many external requests. So let me show you other website. If we go to Tools, HTTP Requests Manager page, Group by Initiator, yeah, I have a Rank Math without index report, and it's not, these requests are fast, and they are loading only weekly report for keywords, and they are not checking individual URLs one by one. So this is okay way of using it. It's reduced. You can see it's like 19% of all requests. So that's how you reduce number of external requests from Rank Math plugin. If you want more WP-HTTP tutorials, you can see them in my playlist. I will put a link in description. If you want more optimize your website more for performance, for speed, I have a checklist that will show you how to increase your page speed score. I use it to get 90 plus page speed score on all WordPress websites that I use, that I work with. You can grab it from webpa.com/speed. Thank you for watching, liking and subscribing to these videos. Bye.